mag-interview ay iyo. One point that I would like to raise, applicant pa lang ni nagamit dapat maaram gumamit sa protocol. Kadali man pagpakiana kung ano ang proseso, mag-request for retention, you ask the help of your public schools district supervisor, tapos you can send us private messages diri nga ada public, ipapakita mo kung nano ka nga klase nga may ada ating attitude as an applicant. Maliya na nga niya ng applicant pala, how much more kung makasulod siguro kontra na permi ang principal. Nauna ito ang teacher nga usa pala ka bulan wala sweldo, maliya na. We wanted to hire teachers who have the moral, the attitude befitting to the job. Alayan la pag-unmute kay bagan masamok man na naton may air traffic. I believe you are all Teacher 1 applicants for the elementary. So while waiting, making use of the time, actually this is not supposed to be included today, the orientation, but nevertheless we decided to have this orientation today, and I would like to thank you all for bearing with us. In as much that we are in the pandemic times, we have to be flexible in terms of our schedule, in terms of our policies and decisions regarding our selection process. Supposedly, you will be reporting for the second district. Applicants for the second district will be reporting to Calbiga National High School, and applicants for the first district will be reporting to Clarencio Calagos Memorial School of Fisheries. That's the initial decision before, but due to IETF protocols, we have to seek approval from the respective municipalities in terms of permission to conduct, especially naton applicants, 1,600. We have more than 800 applicants from the second congressional district, and the rest are from the first congressional district. Diri paapiton ang nag-request for retention. So very crucial decision that we decided. I hope you are all listening. We will require you to submit your respective folders, your application containing all the documents to your respective district offices. The deadline for submission from your district to the division office is on Friday, because we will start the evaluation of your respective folders next week. So we will devote 5 days for the evaluation of your documents. But for those who are requesting for retention, if you think your result for the demonstration teaching is enough and your interview result or score is good enough, and you decided not to be interviewed and to conduct demonstration teaching, pwede. Diri na. But if you have additional documents like your LSA, your teaching experience, ibutang niyo para ma-credit. And I hope pag-attach na lang mo letter for retention of your points on top of your document or your folder. Tapos isubmit niyo sa district supervisor, and we will be requesting our district supervisors magpaalayon kung hinon pwede nila alayonon magpadara nga dihan documents by district para diri kita masamok didi ha division office. For our new applicants, we will have the interview for a schedule for interview of demonstration teaching and interview. And another thing is the demonstration of your skills training. If you will look at, Rob, are you ready now, Ruby? Please present. Please
Yes,
present
sir.
DepEd Order number 7, series of 2015.
Yes,
Sige.
sir. We are ready po.
Okay, sige, proceed.
Yes po.
If you have some concerns, my dear teacher applicants, pakisulat yan sa chat box kasi parang mahina yung signal. We cannot entertain you all. I will just read your concerns in the chat box. Please feel free to make use of the chat box. So we have DepEd Order number 7, series of 2015. Hindi po ito na bago. Ito yung ating gagamitin. Angeline, kindly pakimute po ng microphone mo. So let's go to evaluation and selection procedure and criteria item number 7. Ruby, item number 7. Okay. On screen, you will see item 7, evaluation and selection of a procedure and criteria. For education, you have 20 points. Teaching experience, 15. Your LET rating, 15 points. Specialized training and skills, 10. Interview, 15. Attend, demonstration teaching, 15. And communication skills, 15. So for your education, highlight dito yung mga double second coursers. So you will be presenting your GWA on your baccalaureate course, including the GWA for your PTCP or your second course. And the total units will be divided with the sum of all the units that you got in presenting the 2 GWA. Then, kung mga units pala, masteral, wala pa iton hiya additional points. Because we only look for applicants with a master's degree, which shall be given 1 point, while applicants with a master's degree and with a doctorate degree shall be given 2 points. So, pag 24 units ka pala, masteral, 18 units, do not insist that you will be given points kasi walang nakalagay dyan. Then, if you are a kindergarten teacher applicant, you must not be 45 years old sa panahon na nag-apply. And if you are not practicing the teaching profession within the last 5 years, bakante ka 5 years, you will not be considered for interview and demonstration teaching kasi kukuha ka pa ng mga professional units na required dito sa DepEd order. Then, teaching experience. Teaching experience is 15 points. Teaching experience in early childhood, kindergarten, preschool, elementary, secondary, tertiary, higher education, special education, ALS, TechVoc, learning institutions offering culture-based education programs for indigenous peoples, even prior to passing the LET. Bisan, halimbawa, pagka-graduar mo, nagtutdo ka dayon, pero di ka papasado, considered ito niya, counted. Pero sige ka pa eskwela, nagtinutdo ka na, may dara ka nga certification nga nagsugat, nagtinutdo ka na, bisan nag-ineskwela ka pa, not counted. And a DepEd order is even prior to passing the lit. Sa tumpa, naggraduar ka na. Every year, every month will be given 0.15. So, if you have a 1 year teaching experience, and ihapiton 10 months la. Kaya natong klase, 10 months man la. Wara man klase summer. So 10 months, you will get 1.5. So teaching experience of kindergarten volunteer teachers and LTO-funded teachers shall merit additional points on top of the score they obtained from the above point system as follows. Less than 2 years experience. Kung ang imo experience is kindergarten volunteer, may +1. If 2 to less than 5 year experience, +2. 5 or more years experience, +3. Take note, if you are teaching in the kindergarten. Pero, pag animo dara nga certificate from DSWD, let's revisit DepEd order. It says the full 0.15 per month of teaching experience shall be given to the applicants who have come from schools and institutions that are government accredited or recognized. Iba kasi kung na DSWD, iba laan, tiralaan oras nila dito. Parehas lahat ito nan may darang ang mga certificate nga part-timer. Makuri paghatag credit han part-timer usang state university or college, kaya part-timer diri hiya full-time. Mao nga ning tawag part-time la, kaya na 3 hours in a day, 4 hours in a day. What we wanted to consider are teaching experience that are on full-time. What about kuno na may nabasa? What about online? What about from Leo Bell? How about sir online teaching? Online teaching, nakabutang didi, if you will follow the DepEd order, wala pa man, we will not deviate from the DepEd order kasi wala pang issuance. Ito yung Bible natin in the selection process, that the teaching experience shall be given to the applicants who have the 0.15 point per month of teaching experience shall be given to the applicants who have come from schools and institutions that are government accredited or recognized. Bisan nga ni ang pagtutdo a private school, if you are teaching in a private school pero ang imo intutduan na private school, wala hiya government recognition, waray school ID, kay karag singon ang eskwelahan may dangan school ID, accredited hiya han Department of Education. Kung waray, diri in tatagan points. But let's reserve it for now. We'll wait for further issuances. Kung may da umabot ng mga further issuances, then we will consider what Leo Bell had shared on screen. Then for LET or PIBET rating, 15 points. So kung animo, one crucial thing here, kung mag-compute ka mo ng mga applicants, halimbawa ang imo LET is 80.5. So adi ka mabilong ha range nga 78 to 80. So an imo point is 12. But we round it off. An 80.5 could be considered 81. So didi ka kategory ha column nga 81 to 83, maging 13 points na an imo ma-earn. Pero kung 80.4, diri man hiya pwede ma-round off, so you still belong to 70 to 80 la column, so you still get 12 points. For specialized training and skills, I just would like to emphasize that in the assignment of points, so nakalagay dito, kung mababasa nyo sa screen, specialized training for skills development in fields related to the work, duties, and functions of the Teacher 1 position to be filled shall be given a maximum of 10 points. In the assignment of points, the following should be met. Presentation of a certificate of at least 10 days training. So dapat, pag sinabing at least 10 days, minimum is 10 days. 5 points or nothing. Meaning, the scoring is 5 and 0. If you have a document, a certificate of training presented nga 9 days la, diri hiya counted, ora hiya ihap. May daka certificate of training nga napulo tag 1 day, diri lat hiya api because it should be one certificate containing at least 10 days of training. So kung may daka na 5 points sa evaluation, you will be given 5 points. You will have to demo the skill. So an imo separate ini nga demo parahan demonstration teaching ang actual nga nimo ha classroom. Halimbawa, you have your bread and pastry NC2. You have your competencies embedded in the certificate, that NC2 certificate given by TESDA. But we wanted to ensure that really you have learned something from the training. That's why you have to have the demonstration of skills. Diri pwede, I'm so sorry for the previous, kung may certificate na automatic 10. For me, direct maglalabot hadto adtong mga nakasulod ng retention diri na kamo api. This only includes applicants nga yana new applicants. Ana akong lalalabtan ana akong panahon because I have to follow the DepEd order. DepEd order number 7 has been in place, and when I was assigned in Northern Samar, in Calbayog, amo in amon in Hinimo when it comes to the demonstration of skills. Halimbawa, your NC2 is on massage. So you will be required to demo competencies on massage. For example, you have a certificate of training, nag-attend ka workshop nga 10 days. Animo on may committee nga mag-ask gyapon na imo questions kung ano nimo nahibaruan within that 10-day training. So not necessarily I would like to emphasize, not necessarily that you will be presenting a TESDA, an NC2, a TM certificate. An importante, you have one certificate of training nga 10 days. Bisino ang naghatag provided it is related to your teaching position nga ina-applyan. Gamit ba ang bread and pastry, align ba ang bread and pastry ang mathematics applicant? Pwede, kaya nagko-compute, may mga pagsukol-sukol ang mga ingredients. Ang massage, gamit ba ang elementary applicant? Pwede ba? Para hakon, pwede, because there are some competencies like health and wellness, sanitation that are being observed in the certificate. Bread and pastry, cookery, pwede ba? Elementary, pwede, kasi may subject tayo na hikasi, and we are advocating entrepreneurship at this time. Pero kung motorcycle repair an imo in situ, ano man ang connection han in situ han motorcycle ha elementary, nga diri mo man tututduan ang kabataan, pati ang motor, di pa nga dito nila pwede magmotor. Ano man ang gamit. So, in other words, your training certificate should be aligned to the teaching position that you are applying for. Then, interview, 10 points. Upaya niyo ha interview. Then, demo. Upaya lat niyo pag demo. parehas and we will have the interview online, the demonstration teaching online, para senior high school hadto. If you notice in the memorandum, we have the groupings. Nakabutang dito ang groupings. Tapos nakabutang lahat ang memo kung ino ang chairman and members kada group. And the group will be the one to call your attention as to the schedule and as to that, the mechanics of the interview and demonstration teaching. And EPT naton ongoing. We have our EPT and but pirmi ko diton. I am not so happy with the how our applicants are doing in taking the EPT kay napurala in the dali-dali, not knowing that it is 15 points. The 15 points can make or unmake your inclusion in the RQA. So dapat kung nagbabasa ka mo mga paragraph, may daman skimming, pwede man, pero diri nga dali-dalion la kung ano ang time, before the time, 1 hour before the time, ang iba tapos na. Tapos pag abot, magreklamo nga kuti and resultan EPT. But good enough for our English teachers and mga major in English, makarit-karit ta English, nakaka 10 points good man. But if your rating is 4, adoy, kadelikado. 3, kadelikado. Pero ang iba, bisan waray EPT, kung dakuan nimo jewa kay maupay ka klase, dakuan nimo let, may daka teaching experience, maka 70. Ang iba, bisan wala teaching experience, basta may EPT, dakuan let, dakuan jewa, may skills training, maka 70. In other words, diri good nagiging ulang para sa iba an EPT nga ang teaching experience kung dagko an rating. But for DepEd order number 7, the best and the fit, the cream of the crop of the applicants makasulod nga ni diri ton harumamay nga teacher nga maha-hire han DepEd. But we will not be talking about DepEd Order 22 on the calibration, kaya na tagdaramo permian nakakasulod. Good morning, sir. An NC2 po na Domrock pwede. Ano it Domrock? From Norisa Aban. Good morning, sir. An NC2 po na Domrock pwede po elementary. Sige daw, ano man it Domrock, Norisa? I-type daw, ano it Domrock? Sir, mayroon po ba domestic refrigeration and air conditioning po? Sila will try. Just show your NC2 certificate. Anyway, the competencies are included there. I cannot, as of now, I cannot say no. I cannot say yes because I wanted first to see the certificate. In the certificate, what's included are the competencies that you have undergone, that you passed, and we will look into these competencies if indeed it is attributed to the teaching position that you're applying right now. From Joylit Aban, sir, mayroon po ba online submission and mga documents for evaluation? Nagpa-online enlistment naman kamo, tapos may initial na kamo nga result hadtuhan ang mga district. I think your documents are now ready. If you are in Manila, siguro naman may daka maalayon ayo balay, ipasubmit nga na ayo district office kay madali man lay tanan pag-submit. So, hindi, ano pa ini? From Bialca Aguilinia. Hi sir, good morning. Maasla po kung about na akong pagparang last year, kulang kasi po sir nak documents na ginattach. Waray po kasi ako EPT, and experience po ato kay nag-COVID naman po ato. Pabalik-balik po ako ato sir division, takay nag-GC ko naman o katpalogan, rest kina po pagkato. Okay la po ba siguritin ko ato nga points? Kay okay. As I said, kung kontento na ka man iyo demo nga interview, ibutang ha iyo letter. Tapos kung meda ka mo, for inclusion, halimbawa may bago ka nga teaching experience, ibutang dito ka surat para klarado. Tapos kung waray ka to IPT, ibutang liwat nga karuyag mo makredit ani mo yan na IPT. Tapos mas maupay kung naka-attach liwat ang photocopy of your individual evaluation sheet. Ayaw i-attach an original, please retain the original as your copy and have a photocopy of the IES, but see to it that it is clear and no erasures at that. Kaya may erasure nga ni may concern ito ni RRS, and just be ready nga may tawagon ka mo ang evaluation committee. Then from Rosary Arga, good morning sir. Regarding po teaching experience, counted po ba nag-volunteer sa? Yes, as LSA. You will just attach the MOA. The MOA should be signed by the school's division superintendent as required. From Richelle Babalcon, hi sir, clarification po sa teaching experience. Pag nag-teach ka ng daycare for 5 years, diri po ba accepted? Daycare, Richelle, is sa DSWD. Iba yung pagtuturo sa daycare kaysa sa kindergarten. Mark Paul, sir, about 3 months in teaching? Pwede, 3 months. Pero nano nga teaching experience, Mark Paul? Di ka nag-teach. 3 years teaching experience. Hi, si Mark Paul. Mark Paul? Sige daw, para malaksi. Nano nga experience mo, din ka nag-teach? Mr. Bacho? Pwede 3 months kay 0.15 per month. So if you have 3 months, you have 0.45. 0.15 times 3.
Good morning, sir. This is Mr.
Mark.
Bato. Sir, Bless Elementary School po.
Elementary? LEC ka?
Sir, nag-ano po ako, mentoring po sa elementary. Apo?
May papel ka, complete mo papel, may document.
Yes, sir.
Kasi in the absence of a
Opo,
document,
sir. May documents po ako, may certificate po ako, sir. May certificate po ako, sir.
sino man nag-issue? Sino nag-issue ang
Hello,
certificate? Sino ang nag-issue ang
Sir,
certificate?
sign po ng principal, Bless Community School. Si Ma'am Bless po. Si Ma'am, ang principal po Bless Elementary School. Signed by the supervisor po.
Bless Community. Din ito niya, Tacloban?
Opo, sir. Opo.
Sige lang, i-submit lang mo papel.
Hindi na po Katbalogan po. Okay po. Opo.
Ano man,
Opo, sir.
government
Katbalogan po.
recognized tira. May dahera school ID. May school ID. Sige lang, Mark
May na
Paul,
po, sir. Kay
i-submit
public
lang
po iya.
para-
Public Elementary School po, Bless. Opo, sir. Okay po. Okay po. Okay po.
Sige. Thank you. So, Clarado, you will submit your documents district ngayon applyan. Again, from Mark Paul, sir, pwede po ba ang food processing for elementary and TESDA? Pwede, kay food processing man. Mahikasi man. From Richelle Babalcon, sir, can we take APT and nag-take last November 2019 kasi nag-online kami pero di kami API listahan ma-take APT this year. The DepEd order says the validity of the APT is 2 years. So if you decided to apply and you have taken the APT last November 2019, if your name is enlisted by our division testing coordinator and BEA will notify us that you have taken the APT last November 2019 per their record. So diri kami pwede maka-insist kay magre-red tag adto dito ang BEA nga naka-take pala Richelle Babalcon. So wala kita mahimo kung halimbawa la Rachel, diri ka pa makasulod yan pag next year makaka-take ka na kay more than 2 years naman. But pero maramak ang mga expired na ni PT, ang karoyag magpa-retain na expired na ni PT, ani mo i-PT, diri iton automatic nga ma-appear. Kay expired na nimo i-PT 2018. So dapat nag-take kaya na nga pan-takehan i-PT. Kaya may record and beya. So masugad ka for retention nga tanan na tanan. Ang i-PT diri kay may validity lahiya 2 years. So dapat kung 2018 ka nag-take han i-PT tapos wala ka lagapon makasulod yan na, dapat nag-take ka yan na nga 2021 para may rating ka han i-PT. Ang mga wala pa makatake, we still have additional schedule. At yan ang semana, we are conducting it in San Jorge National High School, and then we still have one more next week. So pakipalista kan Mr. Carrido, and I believe in pantawagan kam ni Sir Glendo nga pag mag-take han EPT. And for those nga nang paras kan Rachel nga correct mag-take pero diri pwede mag-take, I believe you had been informed by Sir Glendo. So some more questions? Sige, naroyag mag-question kay masunod kita next batch. Nicho Avila. Sige, open your camera and say something. Ani mo karag nga concern? From Glisel Avestruz, required po ba mag-demo ang skills? Tanan po, ma'am. Elementary and junior high school. And dire lang magde-demo ang skills and senior high school. Pero, outrohong ko ha, bangin malisang naman kam. And for retention, kung may da ka na to score 3 skills training nga 10, dire ka na magde-demo. Para la inihanaan mga new applicants. Clarado? Si Mark Paul gihapon, sir, may result na po ba ni PT? Taken last July. Wala pa Mark Paul kay ongoing pa an examination. An aton applicants is 1,600 and allowed lahan beya. Pag take an EPT, kada adlaw 40 la. So multiply, divide 1/6 by 40, and aton examination days is 40 days. Mao nga in bulag-bulag, strategically by location para naton applicants coming from the different municipalities of Samar will not find it difficult to travel in taking the EPT. So, but don't you worry, kahuman hining nga tanan nga mga EPT, 1 week la na-release ko no ang bayan. We're hoping that they can bet the schedule. Sir, nakasulod po ang DO22 last year nga mag-apply. Pwede ba i-retain ang points? No, wala man kita DO22 last year. Iba kasi ang DO22, iba ha DO7. Ang teaching experience sa DO7, 0.15. DO22, 0.5 na. So, ang DO22, hihimuon la kung damo uraw-uran item, kulang applicant nga nakasulod RQA. But for us in Samar Division last year, damo pas tayo na nga ni ang wara ma-appoint. Ito na nato na tatagan ng konsiderasyon ang mga wara pa ma-appoint kay para base man hira matagan lat lugar nga ma-appoint. And that is the thing that I would like to emphasize to all the applicants. We wanted applicants who have the right attitude befitting to the job of a teacher. And your right attitude is exposed the moment you are facing a difficult situation. What you say, what you harp in social media reflect the type of person you are. So, kakuri, hindi ka na magbabasol kung humang ka na mag-inistoryahan malain Facebook. pero pagpakianhan ka na, magabasol ka na iton. And siguro, pero man iton, repentance comes at last. Good morning po, sir. Paano po kung waray kami kopya namon IES, din po na po makita makuha ang copy. Ay, imposible man waray kopya. Intagan man kamo tanan kopya. An HR, makuri na niyo mabilngan kopya kay kadamo permihan mga papel nga ira. In fact, ang teacher, anamon nga ni kontaplano at teacher applicants, dili kami makarawat folder para kay puno ng mga opisina, division office. Pero waray kami mahimo kundi karawton gyapon ngan mano-mano pag-evaluate kay para waray lipong haulo. Pero iton la kauman diretso dayon an aton interview and demonstration teaching including the demo of skills virtual. Mahulat la ka man go signal by group kay makuri man face to face. Then, good morning, sir. Bookkeeping po. Pwede po ba elementary? Pwede ang bookkeeping. Kay may mathematics man ang elementary. Good morning, sir. Mag-asla po kay may points na for JWA demo and interview. Ano ba po kasi nga dara ko sa to temporary docs. Nano daw la, pwede po i-written ang points sa JWA, interview and demo. Then update na la. Pwede, basta magsurat ka nga i-retain. I-attach sa nimo IES. Kung wala ka ipapa-update, di ayaw pagpa-update. Basta maibutang mo lang ay retain para diri ka na ma-interview ng demo para may api ka RQA. I would like to emphasize this one. Bisan pa kung nakasulod ka previously han RQA, pero waray ka mag-manifest, wala ka magsurat nga i-retain na nimo points, diri ka may api han atong bagong RQA. Kaya ang RQA annually. Diri hiya hastahan kadayunan. Itong dapat ang nakabutang ulo hanaton mga applicants. Good morning po, sir. From Nelly Advincula. Pwede po ba i-written anak point sa demo? Pwede nilin. Diri ko na nilin na mamati. Sir, paano po ang waray copy and evaluation sheet? Ang waray copy and evaluation sheet, nano man ang rason kay wara ka mo copy. Kaya balik man na iyo ang iyong mga folders. Sige daw. Norisa. Let me hear the voice of Norisa. From Royce Abanag. Sir, good morning. Sugad amon nga waray pa makabot ang DO7. Sige, wala ka mo makasulod RQA kay waray ka mo EPT. Pwede pa po ba magpa-retention? Pwede. Kaya nakademo naman pati naka-interview. Pero ibutang mo lang mo surat nga idagdag ani mo EPT kung nag-take kaya na. Pero kung wala ka mag-take EPT, na naman ang gamit ang retention. So dapat nag-take ka lot yanahan EPT. Norisa, sige daw, let me hear the voice of Norisa. Oh, good morning Norisa. Sige daw, nano kay wala ka copy and evaluation sheet?
Opo, sir. Gimpapicturean lang po kasi ito.
Oh, sige. Picturean. Ito na mo picture, i-print.
Narubot ko sa akong phone, sir. Siya, waray ko ka.
Waray ka. Hino nagpa-picture hay mo. Waray balik mo folder?
Dito lang po. Waray po, sir. Dito lang po ito haridaha.
Nanuhon taman ito nyo na. Kaya wala naman mga folder sa division. Ginasugad pinambalik. Sige daw, Risa, nanuhon mo man.
Sir?
Wala ka man lang kopya, wala kami kopya. Oh, sige, Ruby.
Sir, hindi na po
Sige.
folders were returned to them and then they were allowed to photocopy or take a picture of their IES, sir. All of them po.
So, including the IES, kung IES, may retain kinakopy.
Sir, as for the IES,
May retain kinakopy?
sir, makuri po pagbiling, especially, yan na po nga, mga busy-busy kita di diha office, sir.
Din
Ang
na
kalatamuan
ibutang
po,
man
sir,
ang
ating
IES.
papel.
Puno ng division office ang kapapilan. Sige la, Norisa, kung waray manggod, you have no other option, kaya narubat man ang imo cellphone, madali man lang demo pati interview. an EPT, may record man. Tapos may mga documents ka man, isubmit la. Okay lang, Norisa? May ka mag-isog. Makuri man kitlat magpinamiling na kay volumes of documents nga daya na. Tapos sige ang pan-repair yan na division office and stock room. In repair yan na an office and andito may ridahat takin and staff house and back office. Ito na. So makuri, mamiling kami Norisan papel. So i-submit na lang Norisan imo mga documents. From Nerissa May Amistuso. Good morning, sir. Clarify ko lang po ang pagpa-evaluate po ang documents. Nag-pa-evaluate na po kasi Hanjun Hayabong. Mautra po. Mayda po kasi, Ma'am Nerissa, mayda kami in pili nga division evaluators. Ada ha memo. Mayda usaha TOR, may grupo ha TOR, may grupo ha teaching experience, may grupo ha skills training, may grupo ha jiwa. So impapasa-pasa ito na documents at the end of the day, ang kulang na lang iton and then
Sir?
EPT interview ng demonstration teaching.
Sir Noy, excuse me po.
Yes, Ruby?
Let me ask la po ang mga applicants na naaro copy of their IES, what score po ang ira pag aron copy, sir? Anyway, kung diri po hira naka RQA, diri po hira naka DO7, magre-rank man lagi po hira, sir.
So, Norisa, nakasulod ka ha RQA? Nakasulod ka, Norisa, RQA? Naka-70 ka?
Waray po, sir.
Sige, salang na lang kay para madugnan mo pa. Upaya lang kay virtual naman nga niyan na. Upayaan, mo lesson plan, upaya pag-demo. Bahin man lang madugnan pa. Tapos may dakaman na teaching experience yan na.
Po, sir.
Sige. Idugang, ayaw ka man paglam. Make that day your shining moment para makasulod ka ha, RQA. Yes, Michelle. Alert. Si Michelle raising. Would like to say something? Michelle?
Wala po, sir. Clear na po, sir. Clear.
Clear na. Sige. Oo. Basta sa otrong ko papasa niyo sa district office para ipo-forward nira niyo documents nga di kay may division evaluation committee kita. Ngan kung karoyag niyo magpa-retain ang dapat magpa-retention la nakasulodhan 70 ha. Nakasulod na RQA. Ang nakasulod na RQA, butang lang niyo IAS tapos maghimo na kamo letter, ibutang niyo niyo intent for retention. Tapos, kung kulang ka mo EPT, sige lang, bisan diri naka 70, basta may IAS, bisan diri naka 70, and then, inkukulba na pag-demo, pati pag-interview, kay nahadlok. Sige, basta isurat lang niyo. Pero ato lang, kompleto lang niyo documents. Pero, para sa tanan ng mga bagong applicants, prepare your best for the demonstration, teaching, and the interview and skills demo. Impress us that you are worthy to be part of the Department of Education. Ipakita ang tanan ay ipakita admi kung ano dapat aradman kay mas maupay na ibabaruan niya na kung nino mag-upay nga teachers online kay karuga naman hayo listuhan technology. So if there's no more questions, Rachel Babalcon na nag-apply po last 2019, pwede po retain and points. Pwede God, pero kung kontento ka na niyan, kung 68 ka lang sa tugyapon, tadi 68 ka lang gapon niya na, dili ka lang may bubutang RQA. Pero kung naka 70 ka, tapos may daka additional ibutang kay for elementary localization, di ba? Kung the higher is your point, pares kang taga barangay, kung ikaw ining tas-tasan nimo point, tas-tasan nimo chance nga ikaw ang unahon ka assign. An 70 la mas unahon ang 71 or 72 kontra ang 70. So, mas maupay kung madugnan ang iyo points if you have the necessary documents. From Kuli Maika Bakara, good morning sir, asla po nag-take na po kang defeat last November 29 pero ang score 6 points la. So nag-try ako mag-online, nakarawat man ako ang Bea. Ako schedule, sir, kay August 29. Okay la po ito, kay gusto ko madugan ako ng score. Salamat sir, diri pwede. Siguro nalipat lang Bea, pag-abutan, paghatagan mo result, pag-take mo, mariridlag kalugod. Basta ang palisiya, 2 years ang validity han EPT. From Mark Paul, sir, follow-up questions and certificate po, han Vibal certificate allowed po ba? Ano man Mark ang ada certificate and Vibal nga kung may da ka na bookkeeping, may da ka na in situ, ayaw na pag-insert ibang document and training. Kaya importante la di da usa kay mawan imo i-demo, skills demo. Kung ang Vibal 10 days, mas gusto mo questions and Q&A nila ito, question and answer lang ito na niatag. Pero bookkeeping, tatagan ka gihapon aransiran, tatagan ka hirimuonhan, committee para makita nila nga may mang good skill nga nakuha during that training. From John Rick, sir, good morning po. Creditable po ba ang religious certificates like being a speaker in the catechism and catechist and seminars for catechism? Wala man kita nakabutang John Rick nga certificate para ni speakership. Skills training ang inahanap, ang ibibiling kay you are a teacher applicant. So kinahanglan about skills and imo certificate nga ihatag. Being a speaker, may gamit na ito kung you are aiming for promotion, kung nakasulod ka na Department of Education. But as of now, in as much that you are still an applicant, DepEd Order 7 says, we look for skills training, not speakership. Thank you. Mitzi Bakara, sir, pwede po ba certificate of rating from PRC? Photocopy la po. Diri po ako maka-certify through copy. Yes, we have already we have made some pronouncements echoed by your district supervisors nga karauton laanay bisan photocopy. Anyway, you have your omnibus certification diri pa man hiya for appointment. Considering that we are in the pandemic, our travel mobility is limited, so we do allow bisan photocopy laanay wa diri pa certified ang PRC. Siguro ma-appointment ka mo, makikita man itong kung passer o diri. Some more?
Sir, no?
Yes.
Let me clarify this one la po, sir. Regardless po kung naka-RQA or waray, pwede na po ba mag-retain?
Pwede magpa-retain, no? Pero kung 60 la, na naman gamit pagpa-retain.
So, high important retention, ano po daw lang ang point, sir? Para po klaro.
Anaton retention na ira is interview and demo. Kaya evaluate man gihapon ang J1, education and experience.
Okay po. So, skills demonstration for the training.
An previous, kung may na 10, okay na. Anaton lang na ipapademohon ang aton mga bagong applicants sa skills training. Ang previous
Okay,
ayaw na kayo, may maglipong na sa ni Raulo.
Okay, sir. So, turon ko lang, sir, po, and pwede po retention and demonstration and interview la. As for the document, sir, evaluation talaga, sir.
Oo.
Okay,
Kung ang gapon nila era Jewa kay bangin. Nay. For retention?
Yes po, sir. To those na waray makasulod po sa RQA.
Na-compute naman nato nira. Na-compute naman nato nira ang ira Jewa, di ba?
Yes, sir. The documents, sir. All the documents po.
Pwede para di rin na magdama itong documents. Basta naka-attach lang ang IES.
And mga waray po, sir, IES.
O diri, theoretic basis.
Okay. Sige.
Except,
Thank you, sir. Nakalaro na po.
except naka-RQA, kaya da man hira RQA. I-attach na lang nira ang RQA. Halimbawa,
Yes,
may daka, sige, klaron tayo ni para tanan na applicants. Nakasunod ka na RQA, correct mo ma-retain ang imo points, pero wala ka kopyahan IES. I-photocopy ang RQA nga dahil mo ngaran i-highlight, tapos i-attach sa nimo surat nga magparitin ka, tapos kung may ka dugang nga document, halimbawa LSA, for teaching experience, i-attach. Klarado? Pwede ngayon mag-retain na service and oray maka 70 last ranking kay ang demo ng interview 15 ngayon ng 10 nilin at vincula. Na naman gamit nilin kung magpa-retain nga wala ka man maka 70. So wala lagi hapon, di ka lagi hapon happy listahan. Di kaya happy RQA. Kumaw pa yan mag-undergo. Nilin, nag-elisip po ako yan na as siya i-update na la sana. Additional points pa ba kung akong ginhandle analysis kindergarten and LGU funded po? Oh, based on DepEd order. So i-attach lang ang document. Kinanang kompleto. And see to it that your LSA is the MOA is signed by the superintendent. Diri LGU funded ha kindergarten, nag-teach kayo na kindergarten, pero Makorean na ang kindergarten kay online man. So we'll see your document kung paano mo in plaster. Sir, good morning. Jess Arandia. Anwaray po na makasulod RQA last ranking okay la po i-retain and points. Paano man, Jess, i-retain na mo points nga wala ka man makasulod RQA. So, mawawara lang na mo document. John Rick, thank you, Sir Moises. Thank you, John Rick. Welcome. Rosary Arga, sir, about on my certificate and webinar, may ada po ba points? I-attach na niyo ang documents and webinar, pero ang sugad naton 10 days. Para man siguro na 10 days nga webinar. Kung nakatin ka webinar nga 10 days, pira ka oras may ito kadadlaw. Sige lang, i-attach na. Mitchell Clarice Bacara, thank you so much, sir. Label, thank you. How about an EPT result po from Jessa Randia? Kay valid pa man po amo diri po allowed mag-take EPT. Oh, kung may EPT ka na last year pa, maula itong gapon, ikakapi lagi hapon dida kung nagpa-retain ka. Pero kung 2018 ka, may naka 6 points, mawawara ito, masisiro, kung diri ka mag-take yan ng EPT. Sir, ang akon po mga requirements na dara ko po, kung pwede po ba online ko na pag-submit. Kaya hain kaya na Joylit.
Pwede po.
Hain ka Joylit, Manila.
Katanduanes, sir.
Naganano ka man Katanduanes. Nano kay wala may bilin mo documents. May panahon ka pa man, ipa LBC. Bisan direkta na lang, diretso na lang division office. Care of HRMO.
Okay, sige, sir.
O bisan mga photocopy la. Ayan original ha. Kaya
Okay
may
po,
mawara ito, mawadang ka kopya. O may time ka pa man, kaya bisan na mabot ang imo LBC Monday. Sige la, we'll
Okay
find
lang, sir.
time, karauto namon ito.
Okay, sige, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Mark Paulus Abaygar. Sir, what if may demo na interview pero waray pa IPT? Pwede mag-retain, di ba? Oh, pwede. Kaya mag-take ka man IPT. I-include na lang mo IPT. Di rin naman kinanglan, may naman kami master list ang IPT. So, pag abot ang result, kung nag-take ka na, isusunod na lang itong dito. Pero kinanglan, you have submitted for retention. Kaysa doon na, good morning sir. Namon po kasi documents, tapos na po may submit sa district. Kung tapos na sa district, ipo-forward na lang ito nira nga di. pwede po ba ipahabol na ng letter of intent for retention pati IAS? Mas maupay kung maihabol mo na yan na district. So before nira i-submit last namon deadline nga na Friday, adto na ha imo folder and imo IAS. Marlon Macaltos, good morning po sir. How about po ang pag-update na points and repeat and experience po? Isurat lagi hapon for retention. Tapos ang ipiti naman yung butang. Tapos submit the necessary documents. Siyaran mga applicants and congressional item matarang ng Tison Elim. Kumusta po ang standing? Depende na ito. Nagtupa ito na kan congresswoman unless siguro. Pero ang ipaprioritize man siguro. Depende na ito na office lot and superintendent. Juliet Aban, adi po ako. Sige. Carmelita Abaygar, sir, ang nagpasa po ang retention letter, may schedule po ba? Waray man schedule. Ikatula niyo district office para ang district office and mag-forward. Diri ka mo makadia division office. Dito ha, district office. Para forward natin na folders.
Excuse me,
From, yes.
sir, ano po nga i-address ko pag ipadara ko po LBC na akong requirement?
Ibutang laha HRMO.
Sige, sir. Thank you.
Ruby, Mathil, Rob. Kasuri na lang si Ruby, Kalinaw.
Sige, sir.
Oo. Marlon, okay. So, siguro wala naman siguro na mga questions. May pa clarification. May pa clarification. If you have some concerns, feel free to ask us in the division office. Pwede kami niyo i-PM. Kaya kung may panahon pagbaton, pwede siguro baton ng gabi. Ngan, I wish to see you all in the virtual room for the interview and demonstration teaching. Thank you for joining this virtual orientation. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
very much.
Sige.
Very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ruby.
Thank you, sir.
Sige, welcome. Ruby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, po.
Sige.
Yes, po.
Second batch kita. Same link? Same link,
Same
iba?
link, sir. Yes, po.
Sige, magulat na lang. Para naka-join na, pwede na ka mag-left. Pwede na ka mo mag-out para accommodate na natin ang iba. Thank you. Hello, good morning. So, joining us are April Pauline Bakul, journalist Francis Agbon, Dan Michael Bakungol, Evelisa Aras, Jovi Balotti, Journalia Baracoso, Marialyn Abantao, Marion Arasa, Mary Jean Abaratigi, Nilin Advincula, Nelson Abanis, Renafil Amomas, Ronnie